So here I am, a house in Runcorn called MANOR farmhouse. What's been dubbed the wallpaper house because it used to have beautiful wallpaper, almost like an old style Morris wallpaper on the walls. So, also must point out I've got a new light as well, because I know that some of you have been saying I need a better flashlight. So I bought one the other day. So far it's quite impressive. So hopefully you can see the whole thing. There's the kitchen. See, that's what I was saying about the wallpaper. Old style Morris type designs. Where Paisley design come from. Yeah, this light is absolutely cool because it can go dim if it's too very bright. It's called a newer, so Neewer, and it's LED lights. But I'll put a description in the link if you want to buy one. I recommend it. Got it off Amazon for £30. Definitely worth the money. You can see how bright that is. Oh. I wonder what that was for. Maybe there's a slab on there or something at one point. Look at the wallpaper. That's why it's called the wallpaper house. Whoever lived there obviously liked their old Morris type style wallpaper. Yeah, it's a proper nice little house this. Just showing some pure ruins. But I need to thank my friend Craig, you know who you are, he told me about this place. He's from Runcorn. Basements. I hate basements. Oh God. Let's have a look in here. I always think to myself, what are these basements used for? In the olden days. Go up those stairs in a minute. Gotta be careful because, oh cool. Yeah, I've got to be careful because, quite simply, wow, look at that stained glass window there. It's amazing. Yeah, I've got to be careful in here because, believe it or not, next door there's a police custody suite. Quite ironic, really, to be honest. Oh, you know what I can smell? Pure pot. I don't mean them kind of pots either. Oh no. Why did they do it? I don't know. He sees you. Why did they do stuff like that for? Yeah, smell pot in here. Someone's been, probably today, by the smell of it. It's quite strong. Got these spooky stairs. What an absolute crazy little place this is. See behind the stairs. Oh God. And this is why you should never come alone to these places, because look at the floor. So unstable. See, some more Morris style wallpapering going on there. They were obviously the stairs from before. Look at this crazy room. God. Wow. This is obviously a girl's room, you can tell. Then again, no, it can't be a girl's room. It's a bathroom, there's a toilet. So yeah, to be honest, it's a pretty small house. Small house, interesting. Nice little find. Wasn't another set of stairs down here, wasn't there? What was that? Definitely hear the noise then. Definitely hear the noise then. I don't know if someone's in here with me or what. It's time to go, isn't it? definitely time to go. I have a funny feeling the sun's in here with me. You know what? It's only a small place, but it's quite spooky, that, you know. Tell you what, every time I come to these places, people love paint pots, don't they?